Hello everyone, this is JBL Bar 2.0. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this to your TV via Bluetooth. You can connect the soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth, optical or HDMI out. Switch the soundbar on, and once you switch the soundbar on, then you select Bluetooth button. So select Bluetooth, the light will change to blue color. So you see a blue light. If you select optical or HDMI, then you select TV, the light will highlight white. So now this is in Bluetooth mode. Switch your TV on. This is LG TV. Then go to your TV settings. Then scroll down to sound out on your TV. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out. Then scroll to Bluetooth device. Then scroll down to device list. Select on the device list, and now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Here we go. So we found JBL Bar 2.0. It's found. Then you need to select on it, select enter. It's connecting, and it's connected. You will hear a beep from the soundbar. Now we're going to play audio from my YouTube channel. Due to copyright issue, I'm not able to play any film, etc. Just we're going to go to YouTube channel, then play audio from my YouTube channel. This is how to hook this up. And when you connect the soundbar to Bluetooth, you can increase the volume using the soundbar remote and also increase the volume using the TV remote. From the printer authentication required, then select easy access recommended. So select easy access recommended. You need to press and hold the floating button on your printer. So guys, this is how to connect this to your TV via Bluetooth. Thank you very much indeed.